I don't look good. Hey folks, it's Eleanor Shoujo here. Thanks for checking into my channel. You are about to watch me fail at creating this Korean makeup look. I don't look good. Listen, I look good just generally, like you should simp for yourself, like that's high-key what I like to talk about, but this makeup look is not the one. So enjoy watching me fail at trying to do a beautiful autumn Korean makeup look. So here we go, I guess. We are going to look up we're gonna do Korean makeup tutorial. Beautiful. Daily autumn glam makeup tutorial. I'm not prepped to do any of this right now. I don't have any of the products, so we're just gonna make do with what I have, which most of you would probably do, right? You're not gonna go out and buy all of these products. I mean, if you go, go off if you want to. Girl don't got money like that, okay? So listen, we're gonna make do with what we got. Oh, I love the little dot. I might do 2 dots there. Go. Listen. Oh, shit. Ow. We're looking around a lot. Listen, I think you look amazing, but also, can we get to the tutorial part? It's just been a lot of this. Go off. Here we go, baby. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, so we're gonna prep my head. Ta-ta. We are now going to, Snow Cushion Foundation. I don't wear foundation. If you have watched my other Get Ready With Me video, you know that I just don't wear foundation. This tinted moisturizer. We'll do a little bit of it. I don't have, well, the reason why I don't have foundation is because I don't have a makeup sponge. Listen, all y'all with your bluty blenders, this is what we used back in the day. Just this. Now what I'll say is I make it a little wet. Just use this. You don't gotta use all that crazy $30 booty blender. Just use this. I got this from the store for like 99 cents. All right, we're gonna be putting some, surely not whatever this lovely woman is putting on her face, but we're gonna be using what mama got, which is not much, but we're gonna be using this instead. I don't even know if it's my right skin tone, but listen, she's making her skin beautiful and light, and I'm not that. I'm surely a brown lady. I'm a brown 30-year-old lady, so we gotta make do with what we gotta do. You feel me? Oh, what's this? Too cool for school. Too cool for school what? What is it? Powder? I think she's contouring, but not clear. Also, welcome to New York City. You're gonna hear like 4,000 different noises outside. So she's contouring around the nose, around the chin, around the nose, a lot on the nose, and under the lip. Oh God, oh God. She's going so fast. Good grief. All right. So bye to this. Goodbye. All right. Hi, this is Editing Eleanor, just letting you know that there's literally like a river of tinted moisturizer on my forehead there that I didn't even see when I was filming this, so cute. She's using like a fluffy brush. I never contour either. Why did I decide to do this? I'm so stupid. Okay, contour the nose. She doesn't even show you what color she's using, but it's like not showing up on her face. So I'm gonna take my Naked palette, and I guess I'm gonna use this like brown. Is this the same color as my skin? I don't even know if this is gonna show up. Makeup tutorials are hard, y'all. I also need to clean my brushes. Don't tell anybody. Just gonna contour around like this part. Actually, listen, do you do tutorials like this? Then you have to go back and be like, what the hell did they do? Okay. Oh, there was a bigger brush around the face. A bigger brush around the face. I feel stressed out. No, that's too dark. Ah! Okay, wait, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty. My Fenty Beauty in, oh shit. No, Coco Naughty. Ah! She puts it around this part. That looks like crap! Okay, it's all about blending, everybody. It's all about blending, right? Well, I wasn't gonna title this video fail, but here we go. I think this is a fail already. Okay, wait a minute, maybe. I mean, listen, I'm gonna have my bangs down so you ain't gonna see shit. We're gonna use this instead. I'm gonna put that on my brush and I'm gonna put it here, like this. Oh, that's too dark. Okay, I gotta feather that out. Oh my God. How can makeup be so stressful? Okay. Around the nose. This isn't right. This doesn't look right. Okay, under the nose a little bit. And under the chin a little bit. Or the lip, like this. Okay. I'm hoping that in the end this will look fine, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a strong look and this is not what she looks like. So I'm also a different skin tone, so I'm gonna blend it out a little bit with this because, honey child, this is not looking right. This ain't right. You know what? Trust the process. Don't judge. Don't pass judgment on yourself before you even tried. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, she's doing something I've never done in my entire life. Okay, but now we're learning new techniques. We're taking this and we're doing this. I don't know. What the heck? Oh, this is really a trust the process because she's doing this, like this, on the edges of her mouth. I've literally only ever seen people do this for like a Hisoka cosplay, so I'm a little... And then she went like this. Listen, I have questions. So I put there like that, and I do like this. Is that... I think that's too much. But... And now what am I doing? Oh, this is fun. Okay, so we're going to be putting this under the bags. Making bags. Like I already... This is a fail. I look like a serial killer. Just a little bit. Okay, so she did this under the eyes like this. I look like I got punched in the face. Oh, I look so bad. Okay, then she just takes it and she blends it out. No explanation, just do this. Okay. Fill in the brows. She really just put the stuff on the... Trust the process. Trust the process. She's doing her brows. Now, I don't have a pencil, so I'm using what I got, which is this Gimme Brow thing. Maybe I should get a pencil. It's a panorama. I can't go outside and just go buy a pencil for my eyebrows. Like, listen, I gotta be considerate. Okay, but I feel like she is changing the shape of her brow. Oh, a straight brow. Oh, we ain't never getting that with my brow. This is a strong arch. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this and then not go to my ends. And I'm gonna kind of fill, and then maybe I'll take a brush or something and fill in this part. She's also making her eyebrows lighter. I'm gonna take this Sweet Mint palette that I got from Amazon wishlist. We're gonna take like a medium to dark brown. I'm gonna mix a few of them. Mix. And we're gonna put that on my eyebrows. We're gonna try to make them more straight. Unlike me. You know what this feels like? It feels like they're like...
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
Like, that brow is just not right. Okay, this is the first time in my life where I'm doing makeup that makes me feel not as pretty, and I like want to be better at it, but I'm just not. The end. Okay. Ooh, now we're getting to the shadows. Okay, so she's taking a dark brown. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm gonna keep that same palette and actually that same brush, And we are doing that brown. I'm gonna take some of this dark brown, warm dark brown, tap off the excess because maybe that's what we're supposed to be doing. And we going through on the inner corner like this. We're going up on a Tuesday, which is the day I'm filming this. So that felt like a nice reference at the moment. And then, why does that look more red than what I'm doing? Okay, so I'm adding some red because this, we didn't put no primer on or nothing. We're just slapping this on. I could not tell you for the life of me what the hell this beautiful woman is doing. And now she's going down. Well, listen, I'm not even done and this is a big old fail. This is a big old fail. Really emphasizing this under eye bag. Okay. I don't like it. I don't like it. I feel like I've missed 400 steps. What the heck? You know what? They always tell you, like, learn something new. Try something out of your comfort zone. It'll be fun. It'll be fine. No, it won't. It's gonna be a disaster. It's gonna be a wreck. You're not gonna know what you're doing. You're gonna feel like a stupid idiot trying to figure out something that should fairly be simple. I'm just putting eyeshadow on my eyes. I look like a serial killer. Yeah. I look like a serial killer. Listen, I was trying to be a good YouTuber and I was like gonna do this makeup look and then I was gonna film other things with this makeup on. I'm gonna have to take this off. Maybe not. Trust the process. Trust the process. Okay, well now we're putting a medium shade in the middle to connect them and then making it like a foosh, fosh, foosh. If there is a lash in this process, like if there's a opportunity to put on false lashes, it might come together. You know what I mean? Cute. That's how I feel about like lashes and eyeliner. Like, you kind of look cute once that part is on. But before that, you look like a serial killer. I'm Sun Woo. What is this? Oh, no. Brown mascara and just all over herself. What? I need chunk. I need chunk on my eyes, okay? I need people to not notice how bad my eyeshadow looks because there's so much chunk on my eyelashes. You know what'll make it better? When you can't see my eyeshadow. Where are the false lashes? I need to take a moment. The eyeliner is like a whisper. It's shh. Here's a little bit. I need to put this entire thing over my eyes so you can't see what I did. Can you even see that? No, exactly. We got a strong bada bing right there. Bam. We got a strong bring it back mini triangle like so. And that's all she wrote. That's it. What? Oh no, yeah, I hope no one walk in on me doing this, cause she's got dark brown eyeliner to go under the eye. It is so, I can't see what she's doing. Okay, we're just doing that because I don't have anything lighter and I don't know anything. Here's my favorite part. This is the only part of the makeup look that I like think I can do, which is I'm gonna just do it. And she only put it under one eye, but I want to do it under both eyes. So I'm gonna do this and then like this. Already feeling cuter with these 2 dots on my face. Isn't that weird that like you're like, well now I'm cute. No, bitch, you still look stupid. Yikes. I am Confucian. We're putting foil like under everything on our eyes right now. Now, is this application bad because my finger is bigger than the brush? You're absolutely right. Oh, it looks really bad. She used her fingers for the inner corners, so. Okay, so we're putting, this is so not right. She's taking some cute blush and putting it on her cheeks and then like attaching it to her eyes. So I have this cheek to cheek Illa something, and so she puts it here. That's a lot. That's way more than she put. Whoops! Okay, so she put it here, and then she's using her fingers to blot it out like this, and then bring it up and kind of attach it to her eye like up here. That's a look, I guess. That's, I don't know, that's something. It's not great, but it's a look. Now, here's what I'm gonna say. Let me clarify. Is this bad? Yes. But let's talk about something exciting. I'm trying something new. And there is something exciting kind of about like trying something new, even if it turns out to be bad. Is it a waste of time? Technically yes, because it's bad, but also technically no, because you're learning that you are bad at stuff, which is still a learning experience. I think. Highlighter on the nose and the bridge of the nose and the forehead. No, girl, I'm sorry. I even know that for myself. I ain't doing no forehead. I do not want to bring more attention to how big my forehead is. I am not putting highlighter out there. Oh, no, 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 Miss Thang. You are not going to see me do that. You are not. I'm going to put some on my nose here and on the tip right there, but not on that forehead. Ooh, it's lips! It's lips! I'm excited for lips. Okay. Oh, that is orange. That is orange. That is orange. This is like as orange as she's gonna get, folks. That's it. That's all we're getting. Okay, we're putting it chunk. Okay, here's a technique. You put it like this. Oh my god, that's a lot of highlighter. Shiitake mushrooms. Good grief. Alright, so you put it like this. And you go like a and like that. And then she went like that. And now she's putting it on the bottom. On the inside. Only on the inside, and then we gon' rub it out. Baby, we gon' rub this shit. Am I pretty, Dad? Now, here's the last thing I'm going to do for this makeup look, because I think that this might help it a little bit, is I'm going to put on some colored contact. I put on my colored contacts and I feel like it looks okay. I'm not the happiest with how this turned out, because I feel like, especially the eyes, like if you look real close, a lot of it's not right. But it's not the worst thing I've ever put on my face, but like, would I do it again? Probably not. I will say putting these little dots has given me a lot of like this. Like, I feel really cute. I think putting on the like colored contacts for some reason kind of made this look a little bit more like what the original creator looked like. Because she had these like kind of beautiful greenish contacts on. But this is the finished look. Thanks for watching, I guess. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!